Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video, and it's new bike day. I've ordered it from Bike Active. Been in contact with Rob because of the Rona. It's hampered the delivery quite a bit. So it's the Commencal Meta AM 2019-2020 edition bike. Okay, let's get this bike down and let's have a look inside. Speeding up the unboxing bit, so we've got a 29-inch wheel, got some mud guards, my assistant comes in to help, we've got a frame, I've got a box, carefully cut in the packaging off the bike, making sure that I don't stab it with a knife. The last thing I wanted to do was stab my brand new paintwork with a knife. Johan helping me as always unpack the bike, and just about to get it in the stand. Right, let's quickly whip these bolts out and get the handlebars fitted, so at least it's a bit easier to manage them when it's in the stand. Okay, it says no gap. Okay. Let's get the front wheel on. Keep those. And we'll keep these covers. Put that to that. Just going to put the pedals on. I bought these pedals short notice. Well, thought it was short notice, but I ended up having long notice. But we'll see how they go with these. Okay, wheels are on, pedals are on. So it's just the sag, cockpit to set up, seat height, tyre pressures, but then we're going to go tubeless. Let's just get off the stand and have a sit on it, see what it's like. Right, so the bars have got to come up, then we're going to set the sag. It's looking bike though. We'll torque these up later. Right, that's the bike pretty much built, it's all on. I got some nice red knock-off valves to go on, we go tubeless. I'm not too sure about these pedals, they were just bought because I thought the bike was coming and I need pedals. I might upgrade them. And that's it, and then there's the sag to do, so that's to come. But I think it's a lovely looking bike. Okay, so I'm just doing the sag on the front of the bike. Luckily enough, I had a pump with me. I've put my weight in over, which I think it will be about with all my kit on, and some water and everything, so I've done it about 15 stone. So 80 now. With RockShox, they've got the patented levels on the side of the fork, so setting this to 30% sag. Quick bounce up and down on the bike to equalise the chambers. Reset the rubber. 30% sag. I just got to do the rear. Okay, I'm just setting up the rear sag at the moment. But and Lola's decided to join in the garage. I must be watching some rubbish on TV in the house. So I'm just going up 10 pumps at a time. Resetting the sag. So nearly on 30%. I'm just going to take it up to 200. Right, so I'll go doing tubeless. Okay, as you notice, my cameraman has abandoned me, so trying to do the tubeless setup on these rims, film it, get all the decent shots, it was just easy enough to just crack on and do it without the filming. So apologies for that, but they went sweet as a nut, and the rims are now tubeless. Okay, it's day 2, and not really ridden it yet, just been up and down the street, so I have a little bit of a bed in the brakes in, but I've been over everything and torqued everything down. There was a few things that weren't to the correct spec. Put a bit of dry lube on the chain. Hopefully everything's torqued down and we go out for a spin now. Whew. Okay, first climb. Oh, I've gone soft on the e-bike. The rabbit just down there. Anyway, I'm going to drop into the woods now and so she goes on a little single track. Thanks very much for watching my new bike day video. If you would like to like and subscribe, that would be great. And I'll catch you on the next one. Go on in, click the like button.